Good morning. It's the next day. Today we're gonna do some island hopping. Anyway, let's go and wait for the guy that's gonna pick us up. It's a private tour, so there's no one else. We are waiting for a tour guide. That's our boat down there. First impressions. Well, we left a little bit late because we had to get in the river first off, but now we are moving. Let's go to one of the beaches first. So we'll see when we get there. We made it. Yay. It's about to get wobbly, boys. Oh, we made it. Made it. Another island checklist. I don't even have my microphone. That's the main island down there. It's raining over there. Oh no. The big boat. It's huge. Look at it. Coconut tree. Na 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 na. Below cloud cover. Got to say, it's actually a decent temp. Look how clear that is. Look how clear that is. I saw some lightning strike, so hopefully it doesn't get poked on. Oh no! Size of this. Because it is pouring rain outside. It is not clearing up due to the fact it has not been cleared up. My goodness, that boat has been clearing up since, and hopefully it does clear up soon so we can have a nice tour as well, but it does look like it's clearing up, so it clears up. We're gonna attempt to find some place for dinner tonight. Yesterday when I had that pizza, flashback, but yesterday when I had that, my goodness, I couldn't even eat it. And I had like 4 slices left. The cheese, when I kept eating it and eating it, I just didn't really like the white cheese that was on it. It was like some Swedish roll or whatever it was. But I didn't really like it. So Yeah, I did kind of like the outer base. I thought they had like pepperoni pizza, but no, they had all these weird ones I'd never seen before. But still, good restaurant though. And I managed to drive the boat, as you can see here. I need to get some footage up and running on our 360 camera. I need to do it, but that might take a while, so I might do that tonight and see what happens. So off we go to find something for dinner because we're still finding, and we're gonna need it with our Google Maps. I did find a burger place somewhere, but I don't think that we are going to go there. But if we can't find anything, we're going to go somewhere else. Anyway, we'll update you hopefully soon. And it was really good. It's hectic here tonight. Look at this tacos. There's quesadillas. Oh, they got burgers, which is nice. Yeah. What they got? They got beef ones. This Mexican restaurant or something like that can help us get something. Maybe, maybe emergency meeting. We cannot find a restaurant at the moment. We are going to be looking at more. Hopefully, we find something. Whole area down here on this road is the restaurants. We found a place. Lobsters. Okay, honest review. The honest review is just mad. So first of all, it took about 1 hour to get my food. Great. Number two, um, all the whole hot stuff was splashing onto my leg. And also number three, there was hair on one of the rice that we brought. That's my honest review. In all honesty, I probably will never ever go back there ever again. So I'm guessing about 2 or 3 stars, in my opinion. But now we are walking across El Nido, and there are people trying to let you have some dinner, but it gets really busy on a good day like this, and holy moly, it actually is. I can literally hear music. That's loud. I know. So the plan tomorrow, like we got the plan. The plan is also going to be simple tomorrow. Depends on weather conditions. So for the weather tomorrow, it is going to be raining apparently. Like today, it was raining. It was absolutely pouring down. It actually was. I even couldn't even believe it. And then number two, we might just walk around again. To be honest, we need to grab some 2 water bottles, like 6 liter water bottles, because we are starting to run out on some. So we need more on supply. So we're gonna go down to the supermarket. And number three, hopefully we can do more stuff than we think. Anyway, on to next. We officially have a Philippines soccer T-shirt. It's not football, it's soccer. Take that, football fans. LOL. It's busy. Nighttime, which is also the time to say goodbye and prayers. Except prayers, but I got to say one heck of a night. We've had a busy tour, private tour actually. Me attempting to crash the boat, not legitimately. What and we are gonna go back to the hotel and then spend the night, and that's really about it. To be honest. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe. But yeah,